Alright, I found a solution for the shifter issues on the Honda CRF250F. If you like to wear riding boots, motocross boots, anything with protection that's thicker, and you go to adjust this up, you can see it runs into this case here, and it'll scuff your case up, or even just stop it from shifting. So to remove that, it's just a 10 mil here, so you can see that, and then this will pull off. And then this is the tusk shifter. You can see you put this in the same spot and no problem. Lots of room in there. You could even go up higher. Heck, you could have it point straight up if you wanted, but right there. And that just pops right on, and it has an 8 mil that holds it in place. So that's it. I will put a link in the description to where I got this. All right, safe rides.